Hello, and welcome to our segment on the ABE Sangyo home shoe collection at Morihata. These home shoes are available in two varieties. We have the all-canvas version and a version lined with recycled wool. This makes them obviously much warmer, but they're still very comfortable to wear indoors in pretty much any temperature. The all-canvas variety comes in 6 different colors. The wool-lined only come in 2. They have the natural color shown here and the gray, both of which are also colors of the canvas style. It's important to note when sizing the room shoe that the foot of the person using it is not larger than the footbed of the shoe. We offer sizing conversion charts on all of our product pages to help with this, as well as some tips on achieving the perfect room shoe fit. Now, to look at the materials of the room shoe, it's important to note that although the top is canvas and very durable, the bottom is made with faux suede. This applies to all of our home shoes here. That means that it absolutely cannot be worn outdoors, or the bottom of the shoe will deteriorate. That means no cement, no walking on grass or the ground, only meant for use indoors. They are, however, machine washable, and they will last you a long time if you take care of them, and they're very, very comfortable to wear pretty much all year round. This is the wool-lined style here. You can see the wool lining's pretty thick. It's also very, very soft. The heels of the room shoes are what's called a babouche heel. That means it can be worn down or brought up for a more snug fit. Either way, it's very comfortable. We hope you enjoyed learning about this collection. If you have any questions, please reach out at info@morihata.com, and we'll be happy to provide any information you need. Thank you.